Hello everyone, this is Alphy-M. Thank you so much for tuning on to my YouTube channel. Today I'm happy to introduce to you this new product on the market called Storybot. So what Storybot is a online based or cloud based platform that is an artificial intelligence software. So what it does is that it leverages the power of being able to get you the user be able to get you the user automatically leads. So how it does that is that when you publish a story on Instagram, when you publish a story on Instagram and someone comes on to click on that story to watch it, that person immediately becomes converted into a lead automatically, and so that you can start marketing stuff to them. And that is can be done beautifully because this is a bot. Of course, it is a chat bot. Everything can be automated with this software with just a few simple steps, and you don't need any experience, you don't need any technical knowledge, you don't need to be a big marketer, so to speak. So whether you're a beginner or you're an advanced marketer, this is good for this would be good for you. And again, um, if you're interested in this product, make sure you click on that link in the description below and come to a page like this. I'm having problems with internet here, so you can check out this video. It says here every viewer who views your story gets added to your lead list inside the software. So that being said, it is a one-click integration with your Instagram account. New technology that has never been done before. You get 100% opt-in rate and in one click. So create a professional grade stories even if you've never done it before, because it comes in again with a bunch of content that you can use. It's a free content that you can use to create stories, and again, a massive package for a low one-time price. So this is a one-time price that is only going on throughout the launch period. The launch period is from the 17th of November up until the 22nd of November 2019, and make sure that you check it out before the launch period ends, because immediately after the launch period ends, this product will be charging. You'd have to pay for this product on a monthly basis, of which currently it is running at a very low one-time fee of $47. You only purchase it once, and it's a lifetime membership for you to get instant free traffic from Instagram. So again, it is 100% free traffic on autopilot from Instagram. First ever Instagram chatbot that sells, communicates, and nurtures your audience. So without further ado, I'd like to also let you know that if you buy through my link, I will definitely give you fast action bonuses, 14 massive fast action bonuses that we'll check out a bit later on. Right now, I need you to check this out. You only need to complete 4 steps when you buy this product. It says here, this one-click integration cloud-based software creates stories for you and turns every story viewer into a lead instantly and auto sell to them using a chatbot in 5 simple steps. Step number 1, integrate with your IG account. That's it. And step number 2, create. You create stunning stories with ease even if you've never created one before. And step number 3 is publish. You publish the story automatically or schedule multiple stories. You can only imagine the power of multiple scheduling for a long-term cause. And step number 4, you collect leads in one click with 100% opt-in rate, as every viewer automatically gets added to your lead list. Step number 5, profit and chatbot activates engaging, selling, and nurturing your leads for 24 hours and 365 days Yeah, and again, it is as easy as that. So it comes with three solutions. Solution number one is a stories creator. You can create stories and that are of course professional, that are good looking, and that make rather attract traffic. And again, another feature is a one-click bot. So that one-click bot makes sure that you people subscribe to you immediately after clicking on your story. And again, a chatbot that can be activated to be passive or active depending on your needs, of course. So that being said, may we check out the bonuses that I have for you. So there's another video here that you can check out. It is a demo video that shows you everything that you need to know and how good this software can perform. And this software, again, the membership to this software, when you buy it, you'll also get training that will teach you everything, how to use it, and so on. You also get support, and whether you're a beginner, whether you're an affiliate marketer, e-commerce marketer, maybe you want clients for your e-commerce store, or you're an rather a person who focuses on getting clients for their services, like maybe web development and so on. This can be for you if you're interested in getting this, because it will definitely save you a whole lot of money on ads. Can you only imagine how much ads you would spend to get leads? And definitely after getting 100 people click on your ad, not all of them will be converted to leads, and definitely not all of the leads will buy. So you can only imagine how much money you'll save by buying this one-time offer. And also it also comes with a bit of upgrades. You'll check it out when you come to the link in the description. When you click the buy button, you'll see everything there, and there's nothing to hide, everything straightforward. um Pardon me. And first action bonus number one: Instagram marketing secrets. Finally discover how to master Instagram to reach a huge, incredibly engaged, and ideal audience to grow your business. So you'll definitely learn everything that there is to learn about your Instagram business and how to make sure that you win. Valued at $27. First action bonus number two: build your tribe. Um, Discover how to utilize social media to build your tribe and grow your business. This simple step-by-step guide will show you how to build a loyal following on rather social media, capture followers, and broaden your reach on Facebook, and so on and so forth. Twitter lessons included, valued at $27. First action bonus number three: rapid Instagram profits. The secret to rapidly turn Instagram into a profit pulling machine. How to market like a pro on Instagram in 8 easy steps. So that's what it is, valued at $27. First action bonus number four: messenger bot marketing. Leverage Facebook messenger bot platform to grow your target audience. So valued at $37. First action bonus number five is Surefire Chat Secrets. Brand new 9-part step-by-step video course that shows you how to build a Facebook Messenger chatbot to generate leads starting today. Valued at $37. First action bonus number six: become an influencer. If you want to become an influencer, then discover the step-by-step guide to becoming an influencer in your industry so you can get recognized, build a tribe, and get paid for endorsements. Valued at $27. So first action bonus number eight is rather sorry first action bonus number seven is smart CPA offers. Learn how to profit from CPA networks without having to build a paid traffic pro, rather without being a paid traffic professional, or without selling anything starting today. So valued at $27. First action bonus number eight is called WP Mobile Optimizer. With this plugin, you can optimize your WordPress blogs for mobile devices with this premium design plugin. Works with every WordPress theme, iPhone, iPad, or Android, valued at $37. Fast action bonus number 9, extreme list building. Stop worrying about the details and start creating engagement with your leads by making your landing page memorable and enjoyable. Learn everything there is to know about building landing pages and so on. And it is valued at $47. Fast action bonus number 10. WP Video Focus. WP Video Focus is a plugin that allows you to clip your video and serves as a widget on any corner of your page. So this will help you definitely get more engagement with video. So it is valued at $47. Fast action bonus number 11, 10K ClickFunnels study case study. Learn how I made over 10K with ClickFunnels without promoting it directly, and how you can copy my exact system today. So valued at $47. So first action bonus number 12, native advertising exposed. If you want to get more exposure to your website and or to any of your offers whatsoever, get massive traffic in no time, increase your profits, discover the secrets to getting massive traffic, and find out how native advertising works, and so on and so forth. For those who do not know what native advertising is the ads that you see every day, Google ads, and so on and so forth. So value, it is $47. And first action bonus number 13, WP in Content Pop-up Pro. So uh, WP in Content Pop-up Pro is a plugin that lets you create attention-grabbing pop-ups within your content. Uh, it can trigger content, video pop-ups, image pop-ups, text pop-ups, or content pop-ups again. So again, secondary content pop-ups, and it is valued at $47. So fast action bonus number 14, it is called Unshakable Business. So basically it is a way that will help you build massive unshakable business online, so that you don't get to make mistakes like the author mentions that he has made mistakes before. So this will teach you everything about solidifying your ground on your internet marketing or online business sphere. So definitely it is something worth having, valued at $47. So remember that the last day of this product launch is on the 22nd of November, and make sure that you buy it before midnight and get all the bonuses that are listed herein. And should you not buy this product before, or rather before the closing date of the launch, you'll definitely have to buy it after the 22nd. And if you're interested after the 22nd, you'll pay a monthly fee of $47 or more, and the price of course will increase, because this is quite a powerhouse. So thank you so much for tuning on to my YouTube channel. Remember that this comes with a huge bonus package, and again a one-time fee or offer. So thank you so much for tuning in. If you like this video, make sure you click on that like button. If you want to say something, comment down below. And again, if you'd like to purchase this product, click on the link in the description below. You'll come to a page like this and go through it. Take your time and make sure that you buy this product. And thank you so much for tuning in. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll check you out on my next video.